Ever pondered how you can enhance your skincare routine? Many grapple with issues like premature aging and acne, but nature presents us with a potent solution: rose water. Ready to discover the secrets of rose water? Let's dive right in. Rose water isn't just a fragrant beauty product, it's a skincare powerhouse. Packed with anti-inflammatory properties, it soothes and calms the skin, reducing redness and irritation. It's also a natural skin balancer, helping to maintain a healthy pH level. But that's not all. Rose water is a hydration hero, delivering moisture to your skin and locking it in for a fresh, dewy glow. It's no wonder this ancient beauty secret is making a modern-day comeback. Rose water, with its myriad benefits, could be the missing piece in your skincare puzzle. Now that you know the benefits, you're probably wondering how to incorporate rose water into your routine. As a facial toner, rose water helps maintain your skin's pH balance and control excess oil. For DIY cosmetics, combine it with natural ingredients like honey or oatmeal to create nourishing masks and scrubs. And don't forget aromatherapy. Rose water's calming scent can be a fantastic stress reliever. With these simple steps, you can easily make rose water a part of your daily skincare ritual. Not all rose waters are created equal, so how do you choose the right one? It's essential to opt for pure, high-quality rose water. Avoid products with added preservatives or fragrances. These tend to dilute the beneficial properties. With the right rose water, you're all set to reap the benefits of this natural beauty elixir. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about rose water. A true beauty powerhouse, rose water offers numerous skin benefits, from anti-aging effects to acne control. This natural elixir can be used in various ways, serving as a soothing face toner, a key ingredient in DIY cosmetics, or a calming fragrance in aromatherapy. Remember, when choosing your rose water, quality is key. Empower your skincare routine with the natural goodness of rose water. It's time to let your skin bloom like a rose.